Ready?
Hello everyone, welcome to Filmcopath. Get ready for some exciting movie recommendations for this month. This video is brought to you in collaboration with Movie, a curated streaming service showing exceptional films from around the globe. Every day Movie premieres a new film, from brand new work by emerging filmmakers to modern masterpieces from today's greatest icons. There is always something new to discover. With Movie, each and every film is hand-selected. It's like your own personal film festival. Streaming anytime, anywhere. Try Movie free for 30 days at movie.com/filmcopath. That's mubi.com/filmcopath for a whole month of great cinema for free. You know the drill. We start with the classics of world cinema. Today we discuss the work of the great director David Lynch. In 2007, a panel of critics convened by The Guardian announced that after all the discussion, no one could fault the conclusion that David Lynch is the most important filmmaker of the current era, while all movie websites called him the Renaissance man of modern American filmmaking. His work led him to be labeled the first popular surrealist by film critic Pauline Kael. Today, we recommend the movie that burst him onto the scene and made people take note of him. Of course, we are talking about Eraserhead. Released in 1977, Eraserhead was written, directed, produced and edited by David Lynch. The film tells the story of a man who is left to take care of his grossly deformed child in a desolate industrial landscape. Initially opening to small audiences and little interest, Eraserhead gained popularity over several long runs as a midnight movie. In 2004, it was preserved in the National Film Registry by the United States Library of Congress as culturally, historically, and aesthetically significant. If you are into experimental cinema or into cinema at all, Eraserhead is a classic of world cinema which you cannot afford to miss. Moving on to the contemporary movie section, we recommend you the 2019 Chinese masterpiece, So Long My Friend, directed by Wang Xiuzhuai. So Long My Friend was selected to compete for the Golden Bear at the 69th Berlin International Film Festival. At the festival, the film won the two main acting awards, with Wang Jingshan and Yang Mei winning the Silver Bear for Best Actor and Actress, respectively. The film tells the story of two families over 30 years. It portrays their journeys of the families with non-chronological flashbacks explaining the course of their lives. It speaks of affection, getting married, having and raising children with the Chinese one-child policy. Collective dismissal because of economic reform, ups and downs in life, grief, and many social changes in China in the 80s resulted in a complicated life of the residents. Although it is a 3-hour-long watch, it's definitely worth your time. Now let's move on to the Indian section. We have two movies to recommend here in no particular order. The first one is Kaul. Kaul is a Marathi horror film and is the debut feature of director Adish Keluskar. If you have been seeing our videos, you might remember that we put Kaul in the list of top horror movie films. In the movie, a school teacher in a village undergoes a supernatural experience and is assigned a task of universal importance. However, he is uncertain whether to carry out his task or... I'm not going to tell you any further, you should check out the movie. Kaul is a significant movie in Indian cinema, blending in horror with philosophy and giving you a never-felt-before kind of feeling. Kaul takes its time to settle, but then gives you a riveting experience. A definite watch for the fans of the horror genre. The second movie for this section is Sunrise by Partha Sengupta. Sunrise is a Marathi film set in Mumbai, which tells the story of a grieving father searching for his daughter, who had been kidnapped years ago. The movie has a stellar cast of Adil Hussain, Tanishtha Chatterjee, along with veteran Marathi actor Ashalata Wapgaonkar. Winning several awards in international film festivals, this brilliant drama will surely keep you hooked till the end. Finally, in the short film section, we recommend you to watch Sergei Lozhentsev's Factory, which depicts a day in a factory worker's life. The Ukrainian short film is a masterful work which captures the condition of people working in an industrial setup and the alienation they feel living in this modern world. Factory talks to us at multiple levels, the individual ruminations and the society at large. Let us know if you could find out other layers in the brilliant short which we missed. That is all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch all this and more for free on Mubi for a month using mubi.com/filmforbath. That is mubi.com/filmforbath. Also, do consider liking this video if you feel there was any value in it. Subscribe please, that helps. Also keep commenting and letting us know what movies you want us to review and analyze. Thank you very much.